this outfit. It's actually like a elf sort of hoodie, but it's so soft. It's amazing. And then I have Santa leggings, Christmas boots.
You put it in cookies sometimes.
Cookies, cake.
But usually you need like a teaspoon, not 3 cups. That's kind of crazy.
So basically you just need a white conditioner. If you use a yellow conditioner, then you're gonna have yellow snow. If you use red conditioner, you're gonna have red snow. So if you're looking for real authentic snow, you need white conditioner. So this is actually my boyfriend's, and he's gonna come home and take a shower and be like, where is my shampoo / conditioner? I borrowed it for an art project, honey. It just makes your hands so dry. I've had to put on lotion several times and my hands are still so red. And again, if you're new, I only have 2 kids that are with me now. They're ones that are not able to do their education online basically. So a bus picks them up and a bus drops them off every day. They're making popsicle stick Christmas tree, Santa, the snowman crafts. So you can see that they painted their sticks today and they will assemble them tomorrow. And they also did this yarn wrapped Christmas tree ornament too. $2.45.
Where's the hour hand go? On the 6?
Yeah.
For $2.45?
No, the 2.
Oh, okay, the 2. And now where's my minute hand go?
So priorities, I'm sitting in a parking lot near my school, but not that close because I'm ordering Pizza Hut for Dan and I, where if I order it here and then I go right to Pizza Hut, it's ready. So I'm gonna go to Pizza Hut and grab my pizza, but I also have to get gas because I'm at less than 1/4 of a tank, like 1/8 of a tank. So we need to get that. So I'm gonna just get a vanilla steamer while I go in, which means I'm wearing my elf ears and my Santa leggings and that get up in the store. Whatever, we don't care. Welcome to my vlog. Let's go get some pizza. It's 4:50 right now, which means I left school before 5, which is exciting. So let's go get some pizza and get some gas and pour orange jet. So got home, ate my pizza, still working on my latte because I had a Coke with pizza because everyone wants Coke with their pizza. And I assumed I had just one package from Amazon, and this is what I actually thought was coming yesterday. They're flare pens, but they're scented. I'm not gonna open them now because I'll definitely lose them in my backpack somewhere. So you wanna know how they actually smell? Come back tomorrow and I'll give you a little smell test on my tomorrow's vlog. But also, my Romwe order came, and my Romwe Shein gets shipped to my parents' house, so I must have been thinking ahead and got it shipped here because I only go to my parents on Wednesdays. So I was totally not expecting this, and I'm so excited because it's just filled with Christmas cheer. So first off, we have, so it's a wintry themed mask, but also it's the headband that have the little buttons on them. And I like it how it's more of like a winter-ish theme. It's not like super Christmas, so I can definitely wear it during January or February or March because it continuously snows here in Wisconsin. Got these adorable nail stickers. I will link everything down below and you can figure out the prices for yourself, because usually they don't send me an invoice for Shein, so I would assume they wouldn't for Romwe because they're almost the same thing. Hello, Cheyenne. I got these obnoxious things. Which in the store, these would be like $5, but if I remember right, these were like $1.50. How funny are these? But this really cute tassel. I still haven't decided if I'm switching over to my shoulder bag or if I'm staying with the backpack. So this would look better on my shoulder bag. And it was only like $2, I believe. I'm a big fan of the headbands that have the gems on them. So I have a black and a white and a pink. And I thought that this one was just very cute and festive. Just add it to our festive attire that we've got going on right here. No, they're different. Separate holiday nail stickers. What is the problem, Cheyenne? If you've seen my keys before, I have a rainbow keychain, but now I kind of want one for my bike. I have a bike lock one, so how cute is this little unicorn rainbow one? Pretty random, but it's, I don't know if you can tell, but it's different, like glittery snowmen, trees, polar bears sort of thing. Again, for nail art, which I'm not the greatest at, but I'm willing to try for the holiday season. And then this is a collection of holiday rings. I'm gonna put them on really quick. Like obviously this would be quite obnoxious. You would never want to wear this many on the same hand, but again, it was like $2 and I thought a couple would look cute with various Christmas outfits, not all 9 or 10 or however many there are. And then right now, since we're distance learning, we've all been kind of wearing comfy clothes a lot. But also during the holiday season, you pretty much can wear whatever you want. My principal doesn't care as long as you're cute and you're festive and it's relatively appropriate. I got some reindeer sweatpants. Technically these are the back, so I don't even know if I would wear them to school, but even on like Christmas Day or wearing them to Target, just cute festive wear that makes me happy. And then this is the crop top I was talking about. If you watched, I don't know, I think it was last week when I bought a new dress, because I'm thinking that this would be the perfect thing to wear when you have a v-neck dress on, because then you just have this little bit of snowman and holiday fun peeking out of the v-neck part of the dress, and it was like $2 again. I also got these really fun tree earrings. This looks like a hot mess, but it's bracelets. I'll show you. Again, this was like $1. I really just wanted the rainbow and the leaf, but then there's this other one that's kind of just extra. And then I also got this rainbow heart scrunchie, this Santa mitten, and Christmas tree necklace. So I'm gonna pick all this up. I'm gonna go finish uploading my video that I should have uploaded a long time ago today. Oops, slacking. And then I'm gonna paint my nails. I'll check back in with you guys later when I'm ready to paint my nails and I've decided what colors I'm gonna use because I don't really know right now.
I am so obsessed with this filter. It is absolutely ridiculous and it goes perfect with my outfit I'm wearing, and also this green fingernail polish I'm gonna be using. And then I'm going to do some of the little Christmas decorations. I think I'm gonna try to do 2 coats of the green. That was weird. Ooh. I think I'm gonna try to do 2 coats of the green. As I was saying, I'm gonna try to do 2 coats of this green and then try the little Christmas glitter assorted stickers I have and just go totally crazy on it, because I generally don't use a clear top coat. So if it looks horrible, it'll probably chip off by next week, because if I don't use a clear coat, I'm constantly using my fingernails. Like, I didn't use remover to get it off. This is just what's left from my Thanksgiving nails, because I don't use the tools that Walmart gives you to take sizing tags off of the hangers, and it destroys my fingernails. I am literally the world's most unproductive human being right now during Vlogmas. I just come home and I eat and I sit on the couch. I edit my video and then I sit and watch other people's Vlogmases or other YouTube videos for literally 2 hours until it's time to go to bed. So I painted my nails. It kind of looks like a kindergartner got into their mom's glitter. Or maybe it's just the fact that I chose green. So this one says Happy Holidays, and then on this thumb, there's supposed to be a gingerbread man, but he's covered in glitter. It probably would have turned out better if I would have used white, but I was in the green holiday spirit. I also am really bad at painting my nails, and I don't really take that much care to make sure I don't get green everywhere. So like the bottom of my hand is green, and there's glitter on this hand, and if you look really close, it's like slopped all over the nail bed area, but cares, it comes off in the shower in the morning anyways. I hope you guys enjoyed another random vlog day in my life. A little classroom, a little home, a lot of me lounging on the couch, and I will see you guys tomorrow for another super amazing video. I think this is Vlogmas day 16. So we are almost over with the daily videos, which is kind of a good thing because I'm running out of steam, guys. A lot to edit, a lot to think of, like something new to talk about, so I'm not repeating the same thing over and over for 5 days in a row, basically. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you're into doing your nails, leave a comment down below if you've ever used the stickers before, or you would rather use like the decals, like this Mr. Tree right here, or this little snowflake. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for supporting me, watching my channel, and I'll see ya in the next one.